What will you do if a king asks you a very difficult question? Will you feel scared or will you give a clever answer? Stay till the end to hear a smart and funny story of Birbal. This story will help you learn easy English through a simple and interesting tale. You will enjoy the story and learn new sentences together. Welcome to Talk Through Tales, where you learn English through simple and magical stories. Now let's begin. One day, King Akbar was sitting in his court. Many ministers were standing around him. The king looked serious. He had a strange question in his mind. He asked loudly, "Tell me, how many stars are there in the sky?" Everyone became silent. The ministers looked at each other. Some felt nervous, some felt afraid. No one knew the answer. It was a very difficult question. Akbar became angry. He said, "If no one answers, I will punish you." Now everyone was scared. Their hearts started beating fast. Just then, Birbal entered the court. He saw the worried faces. Birbal smiled softly and asked, "What happened, Your Majesty?" Akbar said, "Birbal, tell me how many stars are in the sky." The court became silent again. All eyes were on Birbal, but Birbal was calm. He was not afraid. He looked at the king and said, "Your Majesty, I know the answer." Everyone was shocked. Birbal brought a sheep into the court. He said, "The number of stars is the same as the hairs on this sheep." The king raised his eyebrows. The ministers were confused. Birbal continued, "If someone wants to count the stars, first count the hairs on this sheep." For a moment, the court was silent. Then King Akbar started laughing. He understood Birbal's clever answer. It was smart and funny. The king smiled and said, "Birbal, you are truly wise." All the ministers felt relieved. The danger was gone. And once again, Birbal saved the day with his clever mind. Moral of the story: a clever answer can solve even the hardest problem. Did you enjoy this smart story of Birbal? If you want more simple and interesting English stories, subscribe to Talk Through Tales. Learn English the fun way, one story at a time. See you in the next magical story.